Find the present value using the present value formula to achieve $122,000 at 7.6% compounded continuously for 9 years. What is given? Let's take a look here. We are given as something we're gonna have in future, which is the amount, and the present value we don't know, and the rate is given and the year is given, and of course another clue is given as a continuous. So well, let's sort it out. So fee we don't know, that's unknown, and the amount is given, that's the amount is given, and this is the rate is given, and this is the year is given. So these are given to us actually. Now also there is another clue, the continuous is also given. Now once we have this information, we know the continuous formula. What is the continuous formula? Continuous formula is amount equal to principal e to the power rt, and there is explanation right on the description. There is a link how to get compounded to continuous interest, how to convert it, and it's beautiful. You can see the explanation down there, you're gonna like it. Then of course we can actually use this, but the problem is this one is future value formula for continuous interest. Now we're looking for present value. Is there any way we can solve for the present value? Yes, absolutely, we can solve it. You divide both sides by e to the power rt. Remember, this e has a value actually built in. Almost every calculator has e built in. If e is not there, it's basically approximately 2.71828. What I'm going to do actually, I am going to actually type this in here. I'm going to use both of them actually. So type it in here actually, substitute into here. So well, if I do substitute it here, I have a fee. So the fee, which is a present value, is equal to, let's take a look here, 122,000, and e to the power, I'm going to keep it as it is, e to the power r, which is a 7.65%, and times 9 years is the t is the year. That's it basically. So the fee is approximately is going to be, we're going to be using a nice little calculator as we are using. So we're going to have this n over d, or even we can actually put down the parentheses, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show both, or actually 1 2 2 1 2 3 0, and going downstairs, e to the power. How do you get e? Second ln is going to give you e built in. Actually almost every calculator has, sometimes second division, you just look into this le. So 7.65% is second, open parentheses, and times 9. If we enter, we get what we're supposed to get actually. Again, you may want to see how do you round it up. So let's take a look here. Go to mode, go to float, and go to number 2 for hundredth or cents. Is going to be always like that. So it's 14 cents. So we should always clear the calculator. This next time you try, every time is going to return the 100 place, because I just command my calculator to round 100 for me actually. So it's just going to listen to me unless I ask other thing to do. Now we can actually work on this one on the left side too. So well, amount, which is in this case is 122,000, 123,000 equal to fee we are looking for, and obviously we are going to have e is in this case is what? E is, just leave it down there, r is 7.65% times the 9 and close parentheses. So we have 122,000 is equal to P times what? So this time I'm going to actually use a little bit different way actually this time. So again, clear everything in the calculator. So I have to do this first here. So again, instead of E, I'm going to put down 2 point something. So again, 2.71828. That is the approximation. That's the meaning of the E. That is the value of E. To the power, of course, we need a power. 7 point, well, I can put down 0.0765 times 9, enter. I have that. So, well, 1.990726, as you see, is going to be approximate actually. So now I'm going to divide both sides by this 1.990726. 1.990726. As you see, it's too much work actually already. So then we have to actually go 122,000 divided by the same guy we found earlier, 1.99072628. Remember, the more digit you have, the more accurate answer you're gonna have. Beautiful. We have 61,284.17. Remember, that is not accurate. We missed so many numbers, so that's why. 61,284.17. This is approximate actually. The best I would love to see, especially if you are using any software or anything, it looks more likely exact. So in a software, we should get something like that actually. So that should be our answer. Accurate, most accurate answer. Thank you.